class 11-12 inverse circular function. Proof. Cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x equal to pi by 2. Let cosec inverse x equal to theta. So cosec theta x equal to x. Cosec theta we can write sec pi by 2 minus theta. So sec inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Cosec inverse sec inverse x, left hand side, this is left hand side, this is cosec inverse x equal to theta. Now sec inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus theta. We put the value of theta, cosine inverse x theta, and sec inverse x pi by 2 minus theta. Minus theta plus theta cancel, it will be pi by 2.